Welcome to Drink or Tell the Truth. My name is Lasizwe, your host of the most. Today we have my fave. Yabona, if you say true, authentic human being in South Africa, you mean her. Zodwa bantu. Girl.
Unjani sikhokho sami? Ngiyaphila love.
Bekuthi muhle kanjani? Businesswoman.
Yes.
We are Dunusa, as you call it.
Mphathi wokudunusa. Phathi. Akekho umuntu odunusa njengami.
So we're going to play a game called Drink or Tell the Truth. So basically our content producer has curated questions that I haven't seen, you haven't seen. So we're basically going to be asking each other questions.
Yeah.
Mongafuna ansara. They have made a concoction drink. Like it's not...
Jesus Christ.
But I mean, you're an honest person.
Yeah, I tell the truth. I don't think I'll drink.
I guess it's a one.
Yeah.
Ladies first, or would you like me to start? Ngoba nami late.
Oh, yes. You start.
Must I start?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Who is the recent person you went home with after M19?
Right now, endlini kunobenten manje. Akekho famous. Uyasebenza. Ngiloko lockdown naye. I love sex. I have everything. I love cuddling. I love having somebody at home. Imagine having a big house like this. Then you are alone. You work hard. You come in. It's so wrong. It's told me. Ooh, shame in a gig. When I go partying, umuntu wami unomuntu. So angihlangene. Angihlangene mina. Yeah, lo ngekho famous unomuntu angihlangene, but he's been with me endlini akakapakisha ibhek ukuthi uhlala nami.
Oh no, yeah.
Yes nje. Yes. Nangiye clubbini ngisuke ngiyohunter, I buy alcohol, then I look, angisheli. Oh famous ngiyoba I think 3 weeks back uThabo, a Black Motion. Yeah, sapepana. Yeah, it's not a secret. I apparently to a girlfriend ngihlangana mina. Yeah, baba ninja because I'm single. So yeah, now ngibona nje and ngifuna ukubhepha. I let you know ukuthi ngiyabhebheka. Yeah. The world's least favorite YouTuber and their content. Naledi M Shamiso MD Skets. The worst
YouTuber.
Naledi M Shamisho mina ngibazi MD Skets angibazi mina. Futhi ungayibeki iwes udoti. Udoti. Isilungu senza ngathi Naledi M Shamisho.
No, I love Naledi M. MDM. Yeah, no. For me, it's like Pepsi and Coca-Cola.
Okay.
Like, yeah, MDM, no. The least favorite person you had to work with or a person you wouldn't work with is who?
I wouldn't work with Zahara. I hate her.
What?
Yeah. Why? She's a bitch. She came to my birthday. That was on my reality show, but they edited it. But we're still saving it. I'm still coming for her. Yeah. She came to my birthday celebration. When it was me to get on the stage, she went on the stage. Okay, fine. I'm thinking she's a legend. I'm gonna greet her like I'm excited. She's on the stage to say something maybe since it's my birthday. Hi, waba isifebe ugogo olingana nami ngazi eculeni kwakhe uxakeke intoni ori udakeni kwakhe uxakwe intoni ukuthi angazipha mina. She was like ezini ngathi ngigwinya lela ilona. Just like that. Yeah.
Okay. Kwanzima. Alright, answer your question.
Akonzima nix. That's the truth. Name your biggest YouTube competitor or drink. You don't have competition. You are you. So
I don't have competition.
Yeah. So drink.
Nyapuza. Or drink.
Yeah.
My biggest competitor, besides myself.
I'll go international. competition, how?
I see myself along with James Charles. Like, that's my biggest competitor. He's got 25 million subscribers, and I'm still haven't hit 1 million. So,
okay.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
You became famous at a late stage in your life.
Yeah.
Is there any celebrity you met that was rude to you, and what happened?
Rude. I dealt with Zahara. I deal with them unless you want me to mention them. I get them all. I get hangibancengile nje futhi nangena bayashifta or banqapha or babheka phansi or they do scheme nje sebugroupi bayenze ngathi it's all about me ezini bazizwisa ngami but I know ukuthi kunyabona.
Besides Zahara ubani?
Akekho sikhokho hayi akekho hayi akekho ngidila nabo ifune bavula iyaka mase bayivula ngami bahlale bangidiscuss but not mina ukuthi ne worry ngawe ninganya. Okay, between Mihlali Damase, Ayanda MVP, Natasha Tayane, would you live the rest of your life without and can't say none? Or you drink?
So basically the question is, who can I live without? My life won't be impacted. No angashona.
Yes.
It's like life will continue.
How's Coco? This is not your family. These are friends. We lose them every day. Make up your mind.
Ayanda is my ride or die. 'Cause that's my sister.
I love her.
You know, amen to that.
Because she loves me.
Mihlali, Natasha.
I don't know them. I've never met them.
Actually, Natasha disappointed me the other day. She was supposed to be on the show. She disappointed me 3 times. So, girl, I can live my life without you, babes. Like, that's on period. Natasha.
Oh, okay. Was it star?
Yeah.
Go.
I didn't say anything.
Wait.
If you had to choose between performing for the rest of your life, or professional work for the rest of your life, meaning if you're performing, I'll bet you, or adult professional work, paid. Okay.
Growing up, I was not a professional sfebe because bengishelwa then bengifuna amavuso because ngikhule ngihlupheka.
Yes.
So I've never been to on the streets or Hillbrow or whatever, but mina sikhoko na ungishela uyankolota wangipepa uyangikhokhela. So there was no professionalism because I was never out and be like, hi Hillbrow, what street or whatever street. I've never been on the street. Now that I'm Zodwa abantu, we have to make it the reality. As in, but telling the truth. I can only answer it. I know I'll be a professional dancer while we know there's truth where I come from. You understand? So I've done both and well and successful because for me to be here, I've some men for money. Yes. How?
Because in South Africa.
The least favorite person you had on this show, you must name one or you drink. I'm
trying to think. Okay, Dando was amazing. Dando's like a top tier. I think Mihlali.
Okay.
Yeah, Mihlali. Compared to like performances, like I know, like you know, like she was quite. Yeah, okay,
scared.
Like scared and stuff. So guarding. Yeah, she was guarding. Yeah, she was protecting. Guarding. Yeah. Last question before our bonus question.
Why last?
Is it true that Ikeke Lako is 30K?
I no. I've heard those stories, not about me.
Yeah.
I've heard on the stories that those who carry Louis Vuitton bags, Gucci's, I have my hard earned money. You can tell. There's no standard, there's no levels. It's my hard-earned money. Truly. Ngifebe ngikhula bakwethu. Manje dila no penthen mina angidli ngutu. I use my money. So no, I wish guys, hi rich man. Kuthiwa nina nifuna ukungishela or ukungibhebha ngoba mina ngiyakhuluma. Skho ngiyawisha. Angizidliwe lo benten abasihluphekele. You know abafunela iteki.
And bamnandi.
Oh, bangichamisa skho. Me I work for Khanyiswa. I ngigijima inani estradini nibenenzani nix. That's okay. Being gay and poor or straight and famous. Being gay and poor or straight and famous. Wow.
Being gay and poor.
Yeah.
Ayihambelani. Ngiyayithanda mina imali.
Sithanda so.
Ngiyayithanda mina imali. I'd rather be straight and rich. There's nothing, look guys, to be honest, like Intrupego is not cute.
No.
Like it's not cute at all. Okay, bonus question. You get to ask anything that you want to ask me. Anything under the sun that you'd love to know. And I get to ask the same to you.
It's not a question. I think you're a beautiful soul. You choose to be happy. I can't say it's a question, but please accept it like it's a question, but with the right answers.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah. Do you? I love you. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So my question to you is a two-part question, right? Hey, so first question. Did you share usisi wami Khanyimbawu ngesidina ngoMandla Mthembu?
Usisi wakho Khanyimbawu bengikhuluma naye 2 weeks back. Angimshayanga, bengilambile, then indoda yakhe yangishela. Ngisebenza at the Rock. Wangibhalela inamba. Hi, wara nangilethe bill, then wanginika, then I was like, ubhuti uhamba ngiyambukile outside. So bengilambile, then I saw inhlupheko yami nje iziphelela. Ukhanyi bengakamithi, I didn't even know her. Bengimbukele TV ezo emvango. So to me, like, Ukhanyi, Kim Kardashian, 2 different people. She won't find out. This here on the ground. So I'm not even worried about her or even competing with her. I'm just poverty, hungry for my stomach. And I've said that on my season 1, season 2, nothing personal. Since now, as she said on the reality show of mine, Ugutai. So
your child, who's the father of your child? Is it Mandla?
No.
Oh, okay. No, I don't want
to. Then my son also, Zuzu, I had Kanye saying, you and her saying, me, my father is Madam Te. I'm like, Zuzu, no, my son calls me Zuzu. So I'm saying, Zuzu, no. Remember, mommy is working.
He is working.
You know, yeah.
Sure. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, in the comment section, recommend who we should have next on Drink or Tell the Truth. Ladies and gentlemen, Zodwa Bantu, thank you so much. I'll see you on the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye. Is it true that you guys were part of the hockey club? You know the hockey club, right?